Good morning, guys. Wake up, Xzendo. Xzendo. Wake up. Put it away. It's already 5. Turn on this car. It's pretty cold today. Oh my god, it's actually pretty cold. What the fuck? Alright, guys, well, food's ready. Gotta head out. Look what we forgot to do yesterday. The brownies. Forgot to make the brownies. So I think I'm gonna make them today when I get back from work. Who's ready? Let's go. Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Buddha, and it is Monday. It is Monday, November 17th, bro. We're already like halfway through this month. Thanksgiving is literally next week, man. We got Thursday and Friday off. And yes, we're going to be filming on Thanksgiving. And we're going to be filming on Black Friday. Because I think we're going to go out and try to go get some things, you know what I'm saying? Since apparently everything's cheaper on Black Friday. But I doubt it's true. I don't know. But it is what it is. We'll see. I don't know. But what was I going to say? I forgot. Oh, yeah. I'm here at the yard. I am here at the yard. I came to pick up all the items that I need, all the equipment and everything, because I am alone today. I'm going to go be setting main drains alone. I'm not going to be alone at the job site. I'm just going to be alone working today. So it's going to be a really slow day. And I mean, I don't mind. I mean, fuck it. It's Monday, you know, Mondays be like that. But let's go get what we need. There's a little warehouse right here. Look at that tree they cut down. I'm not gonna lie though, the sky looks nice. Oh yeah. But yeah, I'm here for 3-inch main drain and the 2.5. Then I gotta go hit the other yard to go pick up a couple of fittings and stuff. Apparently the plumbing ain't there yet, so I'm probably gonna be sitting around for a bit. But it is what it is. I don't mind. Let's load this stuff up, man. So we get the fuck out of here. Oh yeah, guys. Alright. I'm gonna double check. I think these lights go for this job, but I'm gonna just double check in case they don't. Ah, damn, it's cold today, guys. It's not as cold as it was last week, but it's still pretty chilly out. Oh, I don't get no service here. Alright. Well, let me just take the lights. And if they're not from that job, then I'll just bring them back. Last but not least, skimmers. I only got one. I think I gotta go pick up the other one. But let's get the fuck out of here, man. It's cold in here. It's low-key colder in here than it is outside. Alright, guys. Well, I got everything here. Before I leave, I think I made one of my sandwiches. Because I'm actually hungry. I'm not in a hurry because apparently, like I said, the plumbing ain't even there at the job site yet. So there's no reason for me to be in a hurry. I might just get there and pretty much be sitting around for a bit until the plumbing gets there. And then the thing that sucks about this is that this job site has two main drains. One is cool, you know what I'm saying? Like one is already like you gotta bust ass and try, you know, put it in and shit, pause. But when there's two, there's more to it, you know. It's gotta be they gotta be a foot apart. They gotta both be level, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta make sure everything is correct. But yeah, it is what it is, man. And like I said, I'm gonna be working alone today, so it's gonna be a little harder. It's gonna be a longer day. But let's eat, man. I got my egg sandwich with ham, you know what I'm saying? I think we still gotta go buy cheese. We gotta go buy cheese and we gotta go buy more bread because we're running out of bread. But you can't go back with your next sandwich, bro. Oh yeah, and I got myself a little manguito. A little manguito. Well, guys, I'm done. I got everything in my car. Let's head out. Guess I'll see you guys in a bit. Llegué tumbando las puertas. El agua clara no está. Ya me tenían la respuesta. Un 4 en la mesa me vine a topar. Mi final. There's a classic right here, chat. El karma viene y se va. También se escucha por ahí. Que ese requín se descansa, nadie de la parca se puede escapar. Well, guys, I'm here at the yard. Look at these fittings. I'm gonna hurry up and get what I gotta get so I can get the fudge out of here, man. And we can go start working on what we gotta do. Start working on what we gotta do. Alright. 3, 4. Got a bunch of 3" and 2.5. Let's get the fuck out of here. Alright. I need 2.5" caps, but I don't think we have any, so it is what it is. 45 just in case. Should be everything. Alright, let's fuck out of here, man. If I forget anything, it is what it is, man. Let's go. What is up, guys? It is lunchtime. I'm having lunch a little early. Well, it's about to be 12, but it's 11:41 right now. I'm gonna have lunch a little early just because I don't got much to do left. I don't got anything. Technically, yeah, I don't have much left. And then after that, after I'm done here, I'm probably just gonna go pick up Xzendo, wherever he's at. So it's gonna be a drive going over there, you know what I'm saying, where he's at. I know he's gonna be a little farther from where I'm at, so yeah, I'm gonna go hit up this little quick trip real quick and get myself a drink, come back, have lunch, and after lunch go finish what I gotta finish and probably call it a day, you know what I'm saying. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, holy shit, setting a main drain by yourself, it's hard already, you know, like it's pretty hard setting a main drain by yourself. I mean, once you get it down, it's alright, it's not that hard. But setting 2 main drains by yourself, fuck, dude, holy shit, my back hurts, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm fucking tired. But I was trying to record as much as I can of me working and shit. I don't think I recorded much, but overall, it's been a good day so far. Dang, I think there's a quick trip literally right here, right around the corner, man. El Rancho Nuevo. Should I go get some Mexican food, bro? Maybe I have get myself a burrito. I might fuck around and go get myself a... Damn, chat, I think I might just fuck around and get myself un burrito asada. Fuck it. We're going, boys. We're getting Mexican. Alright, chat. I am back. And I am hungry. Me dieron some chips and salsa. Let's munch on some of these right here. I ended up getting me agarré un burrito de asada, and that's about it. I just want something quick and easy, you know what I'm saying? Chips and salsa, not bad at all. I'm still gonna eat my egg sandwich. I'm not gonna let that go to waste. Chips and salsa, I'll give it an 8. Not bad. I ended up getting an agua de Jamaica. I'll give that. It's not bad, actually. It's nice and sweet. El agua de Jamaica le doy un 9. Not bad. Not bad at all. Ok, ahora sí. A chingarnos la pinche la torta. ¿Era una torta o un burrito? Y dije, nah, pues vámonos con el burrito, ¿no? Y aquí andamos. Además que lo que no me gusta es que aquí, para los que no son de los Estados Unidos, aquí en los Estados Unidos les gusta agregar queso blanco a los burritos y así lo dejan. No mames. Voy a poner un poquito de mi salsa verde. Yo estoy acostumbrado a que todo está dentro del burrito, pues. Pero pues así es acá. Diferente, pues, para que a los gringos les guste. Pero, ¿qué va a hacer uno? Hay que tragar en vez de alegar. Le echaron el guacamole, el pico de gallo. Acá está, le echaron la crema afuera con la lechuga adentro. Pero se le llenaron, con pinche asada. Y le agregué poquita salsa habanero arriba. So let's dig in, boys. Let's dig in. A ver nomás. No, y aquí tengo un coworker. Tengo un compañero aquí que trabaja conmigo. Y me dijo la otra vez, me dijo, oh Luis, ¿por qué a ustedes les gusta echar queso a todo en su comida? Y yo le dije, gira, güey. A nosotros no les gusta echarle queso a todo. Los otros nomás le echamos queso a todo porque a ustedes les gusta. Y dice, ah, sí. Digo, sí. Nosotros no le echamos queso a todo. O sea que sí hay queso en muchas de nuestras recetas, pero no en todo, pues. Y luego también queso blanco, ese sí no lo usamos tanto. Bueno, la verdad, sí, pretty fire. ¿Sabes qué? Está bueno, La neta, sí está bueno. Les voy a dar un 9. Porque también las hadas también sabe buena. Yo pensaba que no iba a tener tanto sabor. Porque aquí en Missouri donde estamos, la mera neta, aquí en Missouri no saben cómo hacer comida mexicana tan buena como en California. It's nothing comparable, guys. Trust. I might have to go back here again. I'll go back on Friday when I get paid. Y agarramos un burrito a ver cómo están los burritos. Agarramos una torta. A ver cómo están las tortas. Well, guys, we just made it home. Look who's here waiting for me. What are you doing, you crackhead? About to take a shower right now. That's why I'm shirtless.
Shut up, fucking Mexicans.
Whoa, what's going on over here? Aaron, look, he's hacking your shit. Wow, of course, the Indian guy. Huh?
Oh, que sí.
Uh-huh. Aaron, if you're seeing this video, look, he's messing with your shit.
With my birthday.
The fuck? But yeah, guys, we just got home. I'm about to take a quick shower. Then after that, we're gonna make the food. We're gonna record a couple videos, do some reactions, and then after that, I'm gonna go live, and I'm probably gonna end off the video there. But before I do that, let's take a shower, man, because your boy is tired, dirty from work. Look at my hands. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, it's cooking time.
Well, I mean, we got some verde, we got
It's cooking time. Yeah, you want barbecue? Sure. Cause I mean, I don't mind. I like barbecue, but I know you. So I'm sure you're gonna enjoy what you eat, man. Damn, bro, it's still fucking solid right there.
Then.
Alright, chat, let's get it. We're making some chicken thighs again. But we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna do something else instead of just chile verde. I'm down for barbecue. Oh, we could do that one. Sweet and spicy. You wanna do that one or?
Yep.
But you guys know the deal. Throw in some salt. We're gonna throw some black pepper in this. I'm throwing some onion powder. Then you're gonna throw some chili powder. And while this food cooks, I'm gonna go and edit a video real quick. Oh no, we're gonna do the reactions. If your chicken don't look this season, man, you're doing it wrong, man. I'm telling you, look at that shit. Now we're gonna throw it in the air fryer. And now we set the chicken to 390 degrees at 18 minutes. Let's get it. We'll let that cook. For now, we're gonna go record some reaction videos. Go check out the reaction channel, guys. Oh yeah. Your boy is tired, man, but we gotta hustle, man. We gotta work hard to achieve our goals and get to where we want to be, you know what I'm saying? So keep on working hard, man. Even if there's days where you don't want to do shit, bro, trust me, guys, just do it. Don't even think about it, just do it. That shit works all the time. You gotta move your body, man. Hey, move your body, not your brain. That sounds dumb as fuck, but I mean, trust me, when you really think about it, it's not dumb. Dude, it's thundering outside too. It's raining, guys. So tomorrow is gonna fucking suck if it's muddy as fuck. But I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, we just got done filming and food is ready. Let me just warm up the beans real quick. Chill out, man, bro. I've been hearing the goddamn bomberos and everything all day, bro. There they go again.
Don't be bored, bro.
But I say, guys, if it's raining, be careful driving, man. Don't be driving reckless, bro. There's other fucking people on the road.
Literally. Well, they turn well, mine tight.
Like, I know some of you motherfuckers don't care about your life and shit.
Oh, hell no, bro. You should do it. When we're going back to the office, bro, there was these two cars literally going in between every other fucking car, bro. Like, go like, left and right, bro.
Dude, some people are fucking dumb, and if you do that shit, bro, like...
It looked like they were racing.
Go to a fucking racetrack and do that shit. Cause you always hear about it, bro. Family being killed because of a dumb driver and shit. Alright. Huh?
I don't think Jen
I see, boys. Cheers. Oh my. That's nice. Look, the chicken's good just like that.
Huh?
I'm like, the chicken's good without any.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. We just chicken like.
Mountains, arguably the most haunted and supernatural place in the entire world. And I'm right in the middle of them. Now these mountains are ancient, filled with thousands of lost communities, and much of
What's
these
this?
forests are still.
Oh, that's a random
I
guy.
don't want to see it.
I'll call it a list of the 10 most haunted.
Yeah, it's already boring. Well, guys, it's that time of the day. I'm gonna start streaming right now in a bit. Just setting everything up. Gonna be chatting with the guys. I'm probably just gonna play a couple games, and I'm gonna just do. I'm probably just gonna. Oh, there's my alarm for streaming. So I'm gonna go live, and I'm probably gonna just stream for 1 hour because I gotta wake up extra early tomorrow morning. But I promise you guys that I'm gonna start streaming more. So ain't no backing down. We're gonna keep on going, bro. So y'all pop up on the lives, man, and chat with me. You know what I'm saying? It is a Monday, man. Hold on, we're gonna go to starting soon. We're gonna mute the mic, and then we're gonna go live. You fucking serious right now? No, I lost. Oh my god, you can't even make this up, bro. No, I'm the best player alive. Dude, how's this Mega Knight not dead, bro? Evil Wizard! No, get him, guys! Get him! Hit him! Hit him! No! I lost! I didn't lose. I didn't lose. I won! Oh my god! Oh my god, I won! Alright, let's hop on Apex. We did good.